Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And in today's session, we are going to start Year 8 Maths Progress. And this is the first chapter, number, and this is the first exercise, calculating with negative integers. So first, we will understand the operations, operations of negative sign and positive signs. So let's understand this one. First, we will understand operations. So first operations is when you will add negative and positive, then it will give you negative. Second is positive and positive will give you positive. Let's take the example of first one. You have, let's say, -2 and you have +3. Okay, so answer will come in negative, but sign will remain the sign of the bigger number. So the sign of bigger number is positive. So I am not gonna write the positive sign here. So it will be 1 and it is positive 1. Why? Because we are carrying the sign of the bigger number. Okay. Now the next one is plus plus will give you plus. Let's say for example, you have 1 plus 2. It will give you 3. Now the second one is minus minus. It will again give you plus, but the sign will remain of the bigger number. Let's say I have -2 and -3. So it will gonna give me 5 because of this. Okay, so here will be negative sign. Why negative sign? Because the sign of the bigger number is negative. So I am gonna write here negative sign. Clear? Now the fourth one is positive. Negative will give you, okay, negative. For example, let's say I have 3 minus 2. I'm not writing any sign, it means there is a positive sign and we don't include. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So these are the important operations, and based on this operation, we're gonna solve the questions of exercise 1.1. So exercise 1.1. Calculating with negative integers. Okay, so first question, use a number line to work these out. First question is subtract 10 from 6. Okay, so we have to use number line to solve this question. How you gonna solve? Let's say this is the number line and I'm considering this is the 0 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will go on. And here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and it will go on. Okay, so now see here we have to subtract 10 from 6. From 6, so let's subtract it. Subtraction means we have to move backwards. Subtracted 1, it will give you 5, then 4. We have to subtract 10, right? So count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is our final answer? It is 4. So how we can write? When you will subtract 10 from 6, it will give you -4. Okay, so we have solved this using the number line, and there are more questions to solve using the number line. So let's move to the second question. Question number B is subtract 4 from -2. Let's say this is 0. This is okay. We have to subtract 4 from -2. Let's say here is 0, here are the positive numbers, and it will go on -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, 6, -7, and it will go on. So we have to start from -2 and we have to move backward because we are subtracting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will gonna give us -5. So when you will subtract -2, okay, wait, we have subtracted from -1, but actually we have to subtract from -2. Really sorry for this. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it gives us -6. So when you will subtract 4 from -2, it will give you -6. Now the third question is add 3 to -9. So here be careful, we have to add, it means we have to move forward, not the backwards. So here is the 0, and let's see here -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here is 9, and everyone has negative sign. Okay, here are the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will go on. So we have to move forward because we have to add, where we have to start from -9. So move forward 1, 2, and 3. So it will give you -6. Okay, so it means when you will add 3 to -9, it will gonna give you -6. Now let's move to the question number D. Add 20 to -5. So let's say this is the number line, and here is -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. Okay, we have to add 20 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It means there is a 15. So it will give you 15. So when you will add 20 to -5, it will gonna give you 15. Okay, now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is work out these problem. So what is our question number A? It's 11 minus 5. So 11 minus 5 is how much? Calculate. So it is 6. Now question number B, here you have to uh, like understand the operations, the operation which we have discussed here. Okay. Question number B is 4 minus 7. Question number C is minus 2 plus 5. Question number D is minus 2 minus 3. Question number E is 0 minus 7. Question number F is minus 12 plus 3. Okay. So 4 minus 7 is how much? It's negative 3. You can use number line or you can use the operation, that is positive and negative will give you negative. Okay, sign will depend on the greater number. We will copy the sign of the greater number. Okay, the greater number is 7 and minus plus minus will give you minus. Now the next is minus 2 plus 5. So here the operation is again negative and positive. It will give you negative, and we'll copy the sign of the greater number. The sign of greater number is positive, so we are not gonna write plus sign. So it will give you 3. Now the next is negative and negative. Negative, negative is positive, and the sign will remain the number of the greater. Sign will remain the greater number. Sign of the greater number. So minus 2 and minus 3 is 5 addition, and sign of the greater number is negative, so we're gonna write negative here. Okay, 0 minus 7, so it is negative 7, and here also minus plus will give you minus. Sign will remain of the greater number, the sign of the greater number, that is 12. So we'll write the sign of the greater number, which is negative. We have written here negative. Now the answer will be minus. So negative 12 plus 3 will give you negative 9. Okay, so I think we have 2 questions left. Question number G. Question number G is, oh, we have finished it. Now we have question number 3. Work out these problems. So question number A is 12 plus negative 15. Question number B is 12 minus minus 15. Question number C is 12 minus 15. Question number D, minus 12 plus 15. Next one is minus 26 plus minus 18. Question number F is minus 26 minus minus 18. Okay. Here you have to keep the operations in your mind and you have to perform it. I'm writing the operations here. Like negative negative will give you positive, negative positive will give you negative, positive negative will give you negative, and positive positive will give you positive. So these are the operations. Now 12 plus minus, here is plus minus. So plus minus is what? Minus. Okay, and we have to put the sign of the greater number. So sign of the greater number is negative, so we're gonna write negative, and the answer will be 12. Now perform here. Negative negative, negative negative is positive, and we're gonna write the sign of the greater number. The sign of the greater number is negative. We're gonna write negative, and negative negative is positive, so 12 plus 15 is 27. Great. Now here no sign is written, it means there is a positive sign. So positive and negative is negative, as you can see here. So, and we're going to write the sign of the greater number. Sign of the greater number is negative. So we'll write first sign, then you're going to write 12 minus 15 is 3. Now next is negative positive. Negative and positive is negative. So we're going to write the sign first. And what is the sign? The sign of the greater number. The sign of the greater number is plus. So we're going to write plus. Now subtract. 12 is in negative, so it will be 3. And it is a positive number, so it is not necessary to write the sign. Okay, the next one. First we will solve this. Okay, so positive and negative is negative, so it will be negative. So we can write this equation as 26 minus 18. Okay, now negative negative is negative negative is positive, and we're going to write the sign of the greater number. The sign of the greater number is negative. So negative minus 26 and minus 18 is minus 44. Now the question number F is C. First we will solve this one. So negative negative is positive. Okay, so we can write this equation as minus 26 plus 18, and the sign of the greater number is negative. So we'll write negative. So minus 26 plus 18 will give you 8. Okay, few more questions are left. We have done till, okay, 2 more questions are there. Question number G, minus 26 minus 18. Question number H is minus 18 plus minus 26. Okay, so negative negative is positive, and we're going to write the sign of the greater number. Sign of the greater number is negative. So minus 26 and minus 18 is 44. Now again we're gonna solve this one. Positive negative is negative. So negative 18 minus 26. Now perform minus minus is plus, and we're gonna write the sign of the greater number. Sign of greater number is negative. So we'll write negative. So minus 18 and minus 26 is 44. Here. Okay, so we are done with question number 3 also. Now we have to do question number 4. So question number 4 says, work out the difference between each pair of numbers. So first pair is 8 and 15. Difference means we have to just subtract it. Okay, so how are we gonna do? 8 minus 15. Now question number B is minus 3 and 6. Question number C is minus 2 and 8. So minus 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. Nothing is written here. It means it's a positive number. So 8 minus 15 is minus 7. Minus 3 and minus 6. So negative negative is positive, but sign will remain of the greater number. It will be 9. And minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. Now 3 more questions are left. Question number D is -4 and -10. Question number E is 7 and -7. Question number F is -2 and -12. So it is -4, negative, -10, 7 minus -7, -12, -12. Okay. Now negative, negative is positive. So we're going to write -4 plus 10. Here also negative, negative is positive. So we're going to write 7 plus 7. Negative, negative is positive. So we're going to write -12 plus 12. Okay. Now minus plus is minus, but we're going to write the sign of the greater number. The sign of greater number is positive, so we are going to not write any sign. So -4 plus 10 is 6. Here 7 plus 7 is 14, and 12 -12 plus 12 is 0. Okay. Okay. Now question number 6 is a table is given and we have to fill that table. So let's say it is date in May, then deposit or withdraw. This is in euro, and we have to write the balance. This is also on euro, European currency. Okay, so it's 1 here, 2 plus 20, 13 minus 37, 19 plus 200, 20 minus 12, 25 plus 55, 31 minus 25. Here is minus 128. So we have to find the balance. Okay. So how we gonna find the balance? So positive means it's a deposit, and withdraw means that you have withdrawn the money. It will be a negative. All the positive numbers are showing the deposit of the money. So you can add 2 plus 20 is 22. Now here you can add positive and negative. So 13 minus 37, it will gonna negative 24. 19 plus 200 is 219. Then 20. Oh, wait. It's a date. It's not a number. So we have to work on the balance. So on 1st May, the balance was negative 128, and they have added 20 rupees on 2nd May. So we have to calculate the final balance. So negative 128 plus 20 is negative 108. Now on this, we gonna withdraw the money, that is 37. So negative 108 and minus 37 will give you 145. Okay, now on this you are adding 200 on this number. So it will be 55. Now again you are subtracting 12 from 55 will give you 43. Now 43 plus 55, 43 plus 55 is 98. From 98 you are subtracting 25, that is 73. That was question number 6. Okay, so that's it for today's session. In tomorrow's session or in the next session, we're going to start from question number 7 and we'll try to finish all the questions on that class. Thank you. Thank you very much to watch the session. And if you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment section.